Hey there, friend. What if I told you that you could start investing with just the change in your pocket? Sounds pretty amazing, right? Welcome to Grow Easy Finance, your spot for simple, stress-free money tips. Today, we're diving into the top 5 reasons micro-investing is perfect for beginners like you. We'll cover why it's so easy, affordable, and honestly kind of fun to get started. No big bank account or fancy know-how needed, just a little curiosity and a few bucks. Ready to see why micro-investing could be your new favorite thing? Let's jump in. First up, micro-investing is ridiculously easy. Seriously, if you can use an app on your phone, you're already halfway there. Micro-investing lets you put tiny amounts of money, like $1 or $2, into things like stocks or savings plans, all through apps like Acorns, Stash, or Robinhood. No complicated paperwork or Wall Street vibes here. Download an app, sign up in minutes, and you're ready to roll. Acorns even rounds up your purchases, like that $3.50 coffee becomes $4, and invests the extra 50 cents. Beginner tip? Start with an app that feels simple, like Acorns, so you can dip your toes in without stress. It's like investing on autopilot. How cool is that? Reason 2, you don't need a pile of cash to get going. Forget the old idea that investing is only for rich folks. With micro-investing, you can start with $5 or even less. Apps like Stash let you buy tiny pieces of companies you love, like Disney or Tesla, for just a few dollars. Robinhood has no minimum at all. Start with whatever you've got. And Acorns? That spare change adds up fast. My tip for newbies, try $10 to kick things off. It's low pressure, and you'll be amazed how it feels to see your money start working. Small start, big potential. Love that. Number 3, it's a chill way to learn investing without freaking out. Since you're only putting in small amounts, it's not like betting your whole paycheck. Think of it as a practice round. You can try a mix of stocks or savings plans, like a beginner pack on Stash, or let Acorns pick for you. If something doesn't work out, it's just a couple bucks. Not a big deal. Tip time. Go for a low-risk option first, like a diversified fund, to get comfy. You'll learn the ropes, watch that graph climb, and feel like a pro in no time. It's learning made fun. Reason 4, those little investments can grow into something real. Micro-investing isn't about instant millions, it's about steady wins. Add $1 here, $5 there, and it starts to stack up. There's this magic thing called compound growth. Your money earns a little, then that earning earns more. Over months or years, it snowballs. Beginner tip: set up auto deposits, like $1 a day, so it grows without you even thinking about it. It's like planting a tiny seed and watching it sprout. Your future self will thank you. Last but not least, reason 5, it's actually fun. Micro-investing feels like a game where you win by watching your money grow. Buy a slice of a company you dig like Netflix, or see your spare change turn into savings. Every time you check the app and see that graph tick up, it's a little high-five moment. My tip? Celebrate your first investment, grab a coffee, and toast to starting small. It's rewarding to know you're building something, step by step. Who knew investing could feel this good? So there you have it, 5 awesome reasons to try micro-investing. It's easy, cheap, low risk, grows over time, and honestly a blast. Perfect for beginners like you. Why not start today? Grab $5, pick an app, and see where it takes you. This could be the start of something big. Love this? Subscribe to Grow Easy Finance for more easy money tips and hit that bell so you don't miss out. Drop a comment. What's your reason for trying it? Thanks for hanging out. Let's grow easy together.